If you are feeling a little off lately and unsure about what's going on inside your body, well, no worries, because the answer to your problem could lie in a simple stool examination under a microscope. Yes, that's right, your feces, or casually poop, holds valuable clues about your health. And in this video, I will be discussing everything you need to know about stool examination under a microscope. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Now let's get started. Number 1. Why is stool examination under microscope important? You may be wondering, why is stool examination under a microscope important? Well, for starters, it can help identify various medical conditions such as infections, inflammation, and even cancer. By examining your stool, doctors can determine if there are any parasites, bacteria, or viruses present in your digestive tract that could be causing your symptoms. It's a simple and non-invasive test that could potentially save your life. Number 2. Test procedure. Now that you know why stool examination under a microscope is important, let's talk about the test procedure. It's a simple process that you can do at home with a stool collection kit, which is available at most pharmacies. Follow these steps. Step 1. Collect your stool sample in a clean container. Step 2. Label the container with your name, date of birth, and the date of collection. Step 3. Store the container in a cool place until you can take it to the lab. Step 4. Take the container to the lab within 24 hours of collection. Step 5. Wait for your results. Number 3. Identification of eggs and cysts. Now, let's talk about identifying eggs and cysts in your stool. Eggs and cysts are usually a sign of parasitic infections. The most common parasites found in stool samples are Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Giardia is a parasite that can cause diarrhea, abdominal pain, and weight loss. It's identified by its oval shape and 2 nuclei. Cryptosporidium is another parasite that can cause diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. It's identified by its round shape and 4 nuclei. Identifying these parasites is important as it can help doctors determine the best course of treatment for your condition. Number 4. Practical tips for overall wellness. As a healthcare professional, I recommend the following practical tips to protect yourself and others. Tip number 1. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. This is the simplest and most effective way to prevent the spread of infections and diseases. Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. Tip number 2. Avoid sharing personal items such as towels and utensils. Sharing personal items can increase the risk of spreading infections, so it's best to use your own items. Tip number 3. Practice safe food handling and preparation to avoid foodborne illnesses. Make sure to cook your food thoroughly. Wash your hands before and after handling food, and store food properly to prevent contamination. In conclusion, stool examination under a microscope is an important diagnostic tool that can help identify various medical conditions. By following the simple test procedure and identifying any eggs and cysts present in your stool, you can take the necessary steps to improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, taking care of your health is essential to living a happy and fulfilling life. Stay healthy, stay safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still struggling or have some questions, no worries. Check out this video for everything you need. Don't give up. Keep learning and growing.